Hey guys, what's going on? So I just finished doing a video on the winter candy apple shower gel. So I wanted to tell you guys about another product. So of course it's like counting down the days till Christmas. Christmas Eve is tomorrow and I had to do some last minute shopping. And of course while I was doing my last minute shopping for people, I decided I had to get a few things for myself. If you guys aren't familiar with Bath & Body Works, it's a wonderful specialty store that has wonderful smelling products, hand soaps, lotions, shower gels, hand sanitizers, face masks, candles, wallflowers, which are kind of like the Glade plugins. They plug into the wall and they're very pretty looking, and they have a wonderful scent, like a diffuser scent. They have guys and girls products as well. So I decided to pick this up because it's a hand soap winter candy apple, which I love that smell because the winter candy apple smell is divine. It literally smells like Christmas Day and it smells delicious. It makes you want to bite into a candy apple, but it also has this almost like spice to it that just reminds you of Christmas. So I love the label. I think it's so pretty with the snowflakes, and it has the gold apple and the tree and the reindeers. It's so festive looking, beautiful to give as a gift, or you could do it as a set. You could do the winter candy apple shower gel, body spray, lotion, and then the hand soap and give it to someone, and they would probably really love it because it smells wonderful. I don't think there's any way you could not like it. This is an 8 floral ounce or 236 milliliter bottle. It is plastic, so it's recyclable. And then it has a very easy to open spout. So all you have to do is twist this part off and this pops up. And what I love most about this is it's different than regular soaps. You just, whatever you want to call it, you just need to press down on it once. So you get a good handful that way, and it gets so foamy. So I think that this actually, you get more out of this than you would another soap because it does get so foamy. And it gives you plenty of lather to really clean your hands very well. So, of course, clean up to your elbows with hot water for 60 seconds, kills the most germs, and the scent actually really lasts all day long. So that's what I like. And of course, you're going to be washing your hands throughout the day, and this, you want a scent that lasts and that smells nice. Okay, so we take you to the back here. So this says Creamy Luxe hand soap with silk proteins. Makes your skin feel really soft, not dried out, unlike some other soaps. The scents are red apple, winter rose petals, and candied orange, which already sounds delicious. So you can imagine what it smells like if you haven't smelled it. Our Creamy Luxe hand soap is specially formulated with silk proteins, leaving hands feeling soft and smooth. To clean hands and wash away germs, wet hands, apply soap, work into a rich lather for at least 20 seconds, and rinse well. Ingredients: water, aqua, sodium lauryl sulfate, acrylic coprimer, sodium lauryl sulfate, fragrance perfume, propanediol. Sorry, I'm struggling through some of these. But you guys could see, always good to look at the ingredients so you know you're not allergic to anything before you use it. See what else is in here. Aloe, barbadennis, leaf juice, BHT, silica, tetrasodium EDTA, benzyl alcohol, hydrolyzed silk, which is great because that'll make your skin feel nice and smooth. Let's see, tin oxide, magnesium chloride, magnesium nitrate, limonene, hexyl cinnamol, citronellol, linalool, titanium dioxide, red 4, red 33, red 40, green 3, yellow 5, violet 2. Another thing I love about these products, they are not tested on animals. Bath & Body Works distributor is 95 West Main Street, New Albany, Ohio 43054. Phone number is 1-800-395-1001, and their website is shop Bath & Body Works. You could shop at bathandbodyworks.com, and there is the barcode. So it also, if you could notice here, it has a nice kind of iridescent color that does not stay on your hands once it's washed off, but it does look really pretty, and it's a nice thickness, as you could see. So I find that when I buy these soaps, even though it's your standard size, I feel like it lasts longer than other soaps that I've bought in the past. I think it's because it gets so foamy and the lather is so rich, so you really only need a very small amount. So I hope that you guys found this video useful. I hope you get it as a gift for yourself or someone else this season. This is Winter Candy Apple by Bath & Body Works Creamy Luxe Hand Soap. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Have a great night.